If you could live forever, what would that actually mean? No aging, no decline, no inevitable end. Well, somewhere in the Mediterranean, floating quietly beneath the waves, there's a creature that might have figured it out. A creature that can grow old, grow young, grow old again, over and over. Meet Turritopsis dohrnii, the immortal jellyfish, a tiny animal that breaks every rule we thought life had. At first glance, it's unremarkable, barely 4.5 millimeters wide, with a transparent body and a bright red stomach you can see right through. If it floated past you, you likely wouldn't even notice it. But inside this tiny body lies one of the most extraordinary abilities in the natural world. This jellyfish can hit restart on its own life, not metaphorically, literally. Most jellyfish follow a predictable cycle. They start as larvae, become polyps attached to rocks, then transform into medusas, the familiar bell-shaped jellyfish. They grow, age, reproduce, and die. But Turritopsis found a loophole. When injured, starving, stressed by a change in the water, or simply getting old, it performs one of nature's strangest tricks. It reverses its life cycle. The adult jellyfish shrinks, folds in on itself, and transforms back into a polyp, its earliest life stage. It's like a butterfly becoming a caterpillar again. This transformation isn't just physical, it's genetic. The jellyfish's specialized adult cells, the ones that form its tentacles and bell, become stem cell-like again. They reset, reassign, rebuild. This process is called transdifferentiation, and it's powered by a unique genetic toolkit, an enhanced ability to repair its own DNA and maintain the protective caps on its chromosomes. Humans can do small versions of this. Your skin heals, your liver regenerates, but nothing close to this scale. The jellyfish isn't just healing, it's rewinding its own biological clock. Scientists believe this cycle could repeat indefinitely. There is no known upper limit, no programmed death, no biological finish line. Which raises a crucial question. If the immortal jellyfish is capable of this, why isn't the ocean overflowing with them? The answer is that biological immortality isn't invincibility. While Turritopsis has an escape hatch from old age, it has no escape from the daily realities of the ocean. It gets eaten by sea anemones, tuna, sharks, and even other jellyfish. It succumbs to disease. Its earliest life stage, the polyp, is hunted by sea slugs. And the very dangers that trigger its reversal, starvation, injury, sudden temperature changes, can kill it before the process is complete. In the wild, most of these jellyfish never get the chance to grow old, let alone grow young again. Their superpower is a remarkable potential, a way to cheat biological death. But it's a potential that rarely gets realized in an ocean where survival is a daily fight, and immortality is no shield against being someone else's lunch. This strange ability was discovered almost by accident. In the late 1980s, researchers studying jellyfish behavior in a lab noticed something bizarre. An adult jellyfish they were observing, a medusa, didn't die when it was stressed. Instead, it regressed. It shrank into a tiny, indistinct blob and then transformed back into its earliest life stage, a polyp. This shocked the scientists. Nothing in the animal kingdom was known to do this on purpose. Word spread, and soon labs around the world began investigating this unique creature. Some marine biologists in Japan and Spain are still studying colonies descended from that very first discovery. They call it the potentially immortal animal. Naturally, the immortal jellyfish has drawn immense interest from geneticists. The question is obvious.
Could understanding its cellular time reversal help us fight aging in humans? The jellyfish uses a powerful cellular toolkit. It can completely transform one type of adult cell into another, a process called transdifferentiation. It has remarkably efficient DNA repair systems and a near-total cellular reset button it can press under stress. Humans share some of these mechanisms, but only in fragments, scattered throughout our biology. Studying the jellyfish won't make us immortal, but it could help us learn how to age better.
But here's the irony of it all. The immortal jellyfish doesn't use its power to dominate the ocean. It's tiny, delicate, almost ghost-like, drifting through the currents. Its superpower doesn't make it strong, it simply makes it cyclical, forever returning to where it began. There's something gentle, almost poetic about that. Immortality not as a triumph, but as a simple, quiet return. We often imagine immortality as strength, as living longer, louder, larger than everything else. But nature gives this gift to a creature that thrives in silence. Fragile yet enduring, resetting itself again and again. Maybe the immortal jellyfish isn't teaching us to fear aging, but to appreciate the cycles of life, to see the value in the chances we get to begin again, the moments where we get to start fresh. Because sometimes, even the smallest, most unremarkable creature can reveal something truly remarkable about what it means to live.
Stay curious. This is Unremarkably Remarkable. Like, subscribe, and let's keep exploring how even the unremarkable can surprise us.